against people who come from beyond our borders. We should not allow ourselves, those who come from other countries, being at war with them, because it is un-South African. We've always had people from other countries, and if you want to know, and I say this because I was in the mining industry, the mining industry, Yaruna, as we know it, was developed and built not only by South Africans, but also from workers from other countries: Mozambique, Lesotho, Zimbabwe, Angola, Zambia, Eswatini, and so on. They all participated.